Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your login password for configuration website in Mercusys router. To do this, first we'll need to actually open our configuration website, which is mwlogin.net, and by default login and password should be admin. Then we can go for system tools, and here you'll find the change login password. Now move right, and you'll need to enter your old password, which is admin, then enter your new password that you want to use now and confirm the new password. Make sure to save it, and your password should be changed. You probably will be logged out from this website and you will need to log in back on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.